Welcome to Datasmart ELD, your plug-and-go FMCSA-compliant electronic logging system. This video will show you how to install your hardware, log in, complete your DVIR, and get rolling. Your Datasmart ELD comes with all the hardware and software you need. Start by plugging the Datasmart engine bus monitor into your port under the left side of your dash. Once that's installed, power up your tablet. Log in using the username and password provided by your fleet manager. Now you can complete your DVIR using your tablet. If you have an exception in your report, use the Datasmart ELD to document the issue and report to your supervisor. Our speech-to-text technology makes it easy to do vehicle inspection reports accurately without typing.
Windshield wiper should be replaced at next maintenance.
Now you're ready to roll. When you accelerate past 5 miles an hour, the Datasmart ELD system will note the change in speed and transition to on-duty driving, activating the hours of service clock. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about using your Datasmart ELD, contact technical support at 833-353-7767.